Boom, derp, derp, boom, 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 derp, 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 derp. Boom, 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 derp, derp, boom, derp, 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 derp.
So, what's up mga ka-physics?
Yo, what's up mga ka-physics?
So, we have a project in our physics. Yeah,
But by the way guys, hope you learned a lot about physics.
yeah, I learned
Yeah.
about work, power, and energy.
How about you, Juice? Head in temperature. For me, kinematics.
Let's go!
Let's go.
So next, what is work? So basically, work is a transfer of energy that makes this object move from one place to another. For example, there is work done if I push this motorbike from this place to another. It depends where direction I want to go. From this to this, from left or to right.
Sige.
Good day, sir. I am Engine Cadet Inkian Gian Nelson P. And my topic is all about work, power, and energy. So first, what is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. Example of this is the potential energy and the kinetic energy. Potential energy is static and kinetic energy is moving. So the potential energy of this motorbike is the fuel inside of this tank. And when it starts moving, it turns into kinetic energy.
Sila, ikat na ako ni.
Bye bye. So next, what is work? So basically, work is a transfer of energy that makes this object move from one place to another. For example, there is work done if I push this motorbike from this place to another. It depends where direction I want to go. From this to this, from left or to right.
G.
And lastly, what is power? So power is simply rate of doing work. The lesser the time you do the work, the greater the power you have. Bye bye.
Hi, good day. I am Engine Cadet Colina and let's talk about heat temperature. So what is heat and temperature? Heat is the total energy of the motions of the molecules of a substance, whereas temperature refers to the measure of average energy of the motions of the molecules in a substance. So let's have an example. Let's compare a tub of water and with a cup of water. A tub of water and a cup can be at the same temperature, but by the virtue of the number of particles, the tub of water has more thermal energy in it even though they have the same temperature. Hi, good day. I'm Engine Cadet Kamangyan and I will discuss about kinematics. So, kinematics is the study of motion of mechanical points, bodies, or systems without considering the forces that acting on them. In kinematics, there are two motions involved, the horizontal motion and the vertical motion. The best examples for kinematics are the free fall and the projectile motion. So the free fall can only occur under gravity, which explains in its vertical motion. The projectile motion uses two motions, the horizontal and the vertical, because it needs forces acting on that field or specific object. So example, for the free fall, I have this ball pen right here. You can see. Then, I will not apply force to the ball pen. So, it drops. It just falls under gravity. Another example of free fall regarding maritime application is the emergency lifeboat, where it came from the top and it just falls right under the sea. Look. That is the example of
I'm Decadent Angelico Soringa, and I'll be going to explain the importance of forces and motion in real life. So first, we are going to discover what's forces and motion. So forces and motion are fundamental concepts in physics that describes the interaction between two objects and the resulting changes in their position. So with that, let's break down the terms. So I'm going to give an example of how I am going to exert force on this chair and pull this chair to change its direction so that I can sit comfortably in this chair. Motion is simply defined as the change of position in an object with respect to its surroundings. And motion can be described in terms of speed, velocity, and acceleration. So look, as you can see, here the car is moving around using to find its way in the campus.